The future does not arrive suddenly, it slowly takes shape through decisions made today, and this is where Kenya's long journey forward begins with clarity and purpose. A nation aligning its people, cities, and ambitions toward stability, long-term growth, and a future built on intention rather than reaction. This direction is not about speed, but about balance, where progress feels steady, thoughtful, and designed to last for generations. Daily life in the coming decades feels calmer, more organized, and deeply human, where progress improves living instead of overwhelming it. Communities grow closer, families find balance, and public spaces become places of connection rather than pressure or chaos. In Kenya, the future society reflects confidence, not rush, where people move forward together with dignity and shared purpose. Technology no longer demands attention, it quietly supports life, blending into routines without dominating human experience. Healthcare, mobility, and communication feel smoother, faster, yet invisible, working in the background rather than standing in the spotlight. This future is not driven by machines, but by people, using technology as a tool to live better, not faster. Economic growth becomes more sustainable, focused on long-term value instead of short-term gain, reshaping how progress is measured. Kenya's role strengthens through innovation, green development, and smarter trade, positioning it confidently within global systems. Rather than chasing attention, the country builds influence through consistency, reliability, and a vision that others begin to trust. Looking toward 2040 and beyond, the picture is not futuristic fantasy, but a refined evolution of today's foundations. Cities feel more livable, systems more human, and ambition more controlled, creating a future that feels calm yet powerful. Kenya's journey forward is not about becoming something new, but about becoming something better, stronger, and enduring.